Today I will show how to create a class in Python. We will discuss how to create object, what are the attributes, properties of an object, and methods. So let me first open the Jupyter. We will do this in Jupyter Notebook. Let me open Jupyter Lab. So here I am creating a new notebook. Let me test it. Print hello world. It works. Let's create a simple class first. Class. Let's create a class of with, and the name of the class is car. Then you need to write init function underscore init underscore self. Let's pass two argument, brand, color. Inside whatever set of code you will write here inside this init function, whenever we will create an object from this car class, this set of code will be executed at that moment. For example, we will save a variable. These are the properties of the object. So let's say brand. We will create a simple car object. It could have the properties of the car would be like what color, what brand, how many people can see it. These would be the properties. Self.color is equal to color. Now we will define some of the methods of this car object, car class. So as you know, it's a we are creating class is a blueprint of an object. So we will define, let's say we'll define a method break self print stop the car define another method start self print stop the car. Now let's see. Now we will create a car object. Let's say car A. We will call this car name. We need to pass, now when we create, we need to pass all the argument that we passed in init function. So we need to pass what is the brand name. Let's say Tata, and color is red. This way we will create self argument. We don't need, that is the first argument. We need to pass it everywhere inside the class as the first argument. Now we will see what are the properties. Class A dot brand. What brand car it is? It will print Tata. Let's see what color of the car. Color, it's red. Now we will, whenever you call the properties or attribute, you just need to pass the name like here defined here, like brand, color. And whenever you will call the method defined like I want to call the break method of the object, you need to pass this parenthesis, and if there is any argument you need to pass it here. Car A. For example, I will give an example. Let's say we define, it takes one argument, print name. Let's say name is equal to name. So whenever you will, let's create again a class brand break, you need to pass the argument. Since there is an argument, name argument, you will pass. Let's say Python. This way, we created a simple car class, and we saw how various attributes or properties of an object created from that class, and the methods. So essentially, a car object in a class is a blueprint of an object, and when we create a class, an object from a class in Python, that has two things. One is the attribute or the properties, other is the method. And this way you can define a simple, I show you a simple example. Here you can define the properties, like for example a car. Imagine a car object. The properties could be brand, color, etc. And method could be you apply the brake or speed up the car. These are the method. Okay, so thanks for watching.